This is a 2021 Harley Davidson CVO Ultra Limited. When only the best will do for your touring bike, you look for a CVO. They are the top of the line Harley touring bikes. Now the color of this CVO is bronze metallic, which is really a cool color out here in the sun. Has a nice contrast with the black and then the bronze. Really sets it off. This bike is in excellent condition, has only 9,119 original miles on the odometer. We just performed a 10,000 mile service on it, so it is ready to rock and roll. Being the CVO, it comes with the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, hooked to a 6-speed overdrive transmission. It's got plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque, great for cruising, pull out the pass, whatever you need to do. A real nice feature on this CVO is the pipes. They are stock from the factory and they call it smoked chrome. It kind of looks like a bronze to me, but that's what Harley calls it. Big, comfortable CVO touring seat. Adjustable backrest, lumbar support. There's a lever on the inside of the heat shield on the left side where you can adjust the rider's backrest to whatever position you need. There's LED lights in the tour pack and also the tail light. Little shorty antenna. Now, one option that's been put on this CVO, which is pretty common for people that have an Ultra Limited, is the 12-inch bars. And these are kind of a Carlini style handlebar that gets the riding position just right, so you're not reaching down low. Custom CVO grips and CVO mirrors. Has the GTS boom stereo system that is AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, navigation. This bike is equipped with the RDRS system, a rider safety enhancement for the has several different configurations for the ABS, traction control, tire pressure monitor, hill start assist. There's the heated grips. Nice beverage holder has been added. Just a great looking paint job. This is just knock your eyes out in the sun. Being the CVO, of course, it has the custom matching floorboards that are in the smoked chrome and the matching highway pegs. Heated seats. There's your controls for the front and the back of the seat. There's a wind splitter Harley Davidson windshield. Has a little flare in it, so it gives you really good protection in the wind. LED headlights, LED driving lights, LED turn signals. The black and smoked chrome front end. It's a CVO. I mean, they come equipped with absolutely everything Harley makes for an Ultra Limited. Just an absolutely beautiful bike, ready for the highway. in the market for a new Ultra Limited touring bike, take a real good look at this 21 CVO Ultra Limited. A new one of these will run you about the mid-40s, and a bone stock, bare bones Ultra Limited will cost you probably about $5,000 more than what we have this bike priced, with no accessories on it. Now our prices are out the door. There's no mystery fees, no dock fees, title fees, all that hooey. No surcharges. Just a good honest price. Save you a ton of money. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA for information on how to put this beauty in your garage. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you for watching our video.